Hi, here's how you put an image inside of your text. So I've got this picture of London here, and I want to write out London and have it as the image inside the text. So we're going to go to the text and we'll type out London. I need to make that a little bit bigger. So we'll just hold the up key when we've selected that and it'll slowly bump it up, back down. We'll pull the letters in a little bit, and then we can put that up a little bit more. I'm thinking about vertical size here, so we don't want it to be sort of too squashed. Bump it out a little bit more, and then we can bump the size of the text up a little bit more. Whoop, there we go. Okay, so we'll drag that down. The colour of the font doesn't really matter. You'll see why. Just want to centre that. Okay, so now we need to select all of the font. Select your words, and make sure you've got contiguous turned off, and then that'll select inside like the O. Now we want to select the rest. We want to deselect the text, and we want to select the rest of the image. So we're going to create a new layer. We're going to hold in Control, Shift, and I, and then that's selected everything but the text. You can see that there. So we can fill this space with a white brush. Turn it up a bit. That will turn it up a bit more. There we go. Now the benefit of doing this is that you can move this box around and it'll move inside the image as well. So you can reposition it afterwards, which is quite handy. Put that there, and we'll just fill in the rest of that gap there. So we can select both the layers. You hold in Control when you click the next layer, and we can reposition that like that. Oh. Right, we'll select this again. I'll show you another way to do it. So we need to rasterize that. So we've got that selection, and we can just press delete. So that's another way that you can do it, and you can get a transparent background. But when you do it like that, you can't reposition it. So whatever's in London, in the words there, that's how it's going to stay. Oh, we've got a little bit on the edge there. Just use the eraser tool to get rid of that. Yeah. So the first technique, you can reposition it. Second technique, you can't. You're kind of stuck with it. But you can get transparent backgrounds. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Bye.